Hey everybody, did you treat yourself yet to this Allure box? Welcome to my channel. This is a great box. I really like this box this month. This is for April. This is a $29.99 box. It's by Allure Beauty Box, and if you go onto their website, they don't pay me to do this. I just enjoy showcasing all the beauty and skincare subscription boxes that I get. So this box, it's $29.99 a month. You can pay, you actually, I believe, save a little money if you pay in advance for a year. Or you can just get it month to month. And so I love this box. It actually comes with a $10 off coupon for Mother's Day. And so once you get in and you subscribe, you can use the $10 off into their shop, the member shop, which is really good buys. A lot of things on a discount. Some of it, most of it are like half off of what the price is that you would pay in retail. So you also get a little pamphlet, and I love it. I've marked mine up already so I can do this review for you, this Allure box for April. So it goes over each of the items that are in the box. We all get the same. One thing that we do get to change though is they'll give us a choice on if it's a scent or if it's a color. And this one, I actually chose a color by YSL. It's the Beauty Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick, and I chose the color Nude Lavalier. And so here it is. There we go. And so we'll get right into this box. So there's a little from the beauty director. She just talks about, the items in the box and what a good value that we get. And this one happens to be, it says, while you love this, it says it's hard to say what's more luxurious, how this glossy formula looks on lips or its incredible chic silver tube. And I can't believe we got Yves Saint Laurent in this box. I love it. I would never be able to afford, to splurge and probably get it, but who knows, maybe if the product is really good, you never know what you would say, okay, this is an investment, this is what I'm gonna buy for myself. So this is the product, and it's just gorgeous, beautiful silver packaging. And then here's the color, and I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn that light up. And it's a beautiful and it clicks up, and here's the color. And beautiful. I actually tried the color. If you press too hard, it is, like a balm, like a lipstick balm. So it will kind of squish a little bit. So here is that pretty color. And I have something else on, but I will try this just to let you see. And it's beautiful. Tastes fine, doesn't have a bad taste, and it's, I think, kind of sweet smelling. So I love it, and I'm definitely going to use this product. This is one that I won't gift away because I already put it on my lips. So there you go. This one retails for $43. That's way more than the price of the entire box. So this is what I'm talking about, is that what a good value. You're getting, this box retails for $233 worth of product that I'm picking up for $29.99. This is why you need to treat yourself to this box. It really is. You will love this box. Every month you get something, really nice and definitely worthwhile. So the second item I have is this one is by Nulastin, and it's the Brow Shape Altering Serum, and it says, why you'll love this. Overplucked your brows as a teen? We've been there. Move on from that damage with this peptide plump treatment that helps boost elastin to strengthen the hair at the root to prevent fallout. So you're not getting any more of your eyebrows hairs you know, falling out. And you can tell I actually plucked mine. This is what we did in the late 80s, early 90s. We plucked all our eyebrows, so they were very thin. And then, of course, mine never grew back. So this one, it says the clear formula doubles as a styler, so consider it a type of 2-in-1 we actually recommend. And it says after applying your skincare, comb the spoolie through your brow hair in short upward strokes. Repeat morning and night for 12 weeks. So they want you to do this for 3 months for fuller, thicker looking eyebrows that even somebody would respect. So this retails very expensive brand. I've tried other products from them. They have a lash serum. This is a $84 for 3 milliliters. And this is what you would pay on their website and anywhere else that sells retail. This product is $84. And this is the 3 milliliter. So this is the full size of the product. And I will, I will show you what it looks like here. And it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it. So it's just going to have a simple spoolie, and then it's going to have the brow serum, you know, inside the container. So there you have it, $84. And the third item is by Skin Inc. It's a cryo ice sake roller. And the directions for this, it says, inspired by the Japanese drink, this pitcher-shaped cryo tool wakes up sleepy under eyes and temporarily tightens puffiness with a cooling aluminum plate, and it changes color as it chills. Pop this tool into your freezer until it turns pink. We recommend for at least 30 minutes. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before applying your favorite serum, and then gently press the silver end onto the skin, starting at the neck and moving upward. Continue massaging until the device is no longer cold, but no more than 30 minutes. And this retails by Skin Inc. retails for $55. And we can take a look. I will break the seal on here just so we can take a look at what this product looks like. And obviously it looks just like a little sake, a little tiny sake bottle, you know, where your sake comes in if you ever had sake before. And this is what it looks like. And here's the aluminum metal. So when this turns pink, all of this stays really cold. And then you put your serum on, and then you go ahead and massage this from your neck up into your face. And so that is supposed to reduce that puffiness and temporarily tighten your skin up. So this, I know this brand, it's a very good brand, and they're a very expensive brand. So good product to have and a good tool. And I will be having, I don't know if I have told you this before, but just to remind you, I'm very, very close. I only need a few more, I think 4 or 5 more subscribers. So if you know anybody, please tell them on their phone, tag them, you know, tag me, send them a text message to jump on Subbox Sandy on YouTube, hit subscribe, because as soon as I hit 300, I'm going to have a giveaway, and I'm going to have 2 packages to mail out, and I will go over, and each one's going to be worth anywhere from $200 to $250 in retail, full of products. So, and that'll be skincare, combination skincare, makeup, tools, you know, what I've gotten so far in subscription boxes. So I can't wait. I enjoy gifting that out, and that'll be for you folks. So the next item, 1, 2, 3, we are on number 4. It is, where is it? Here it is. It is the Rosie Jane by Rosie Jane. It's the Rosie scent travel spray. And this is what it looks like. And it's the scent called Rosie. And it says you don't have to be a fan of the woody perennial flower to enjoy this fragrance, but it doesn't hurt. With rose oil, it says with rose oil, and its very name, you'd think this scent should veer floral. Instead, white musk and warm amber keep it grounded, so it smells more like you. And it says spray on the neck and wrists after moisturizing. It'll cling to the skin and last longer through the day. This retails for $29. This is 10 milliliters, which is a third of an ounce. And you also get a 20% off your next order on their website with a code that we have here in this pamphlet. So this one, it's supposed to be a rosy scent, so let's see what this is like. And grounded with amber. And it's definitely floral. It's not a scent. I normally wear a lot of fresh herbal, citrus kind of lighter scents, sometimes a gourmand. So this is something that I wouldn't wear, and I will definitely, this will be, it is a nice scent, and it's a very good brand, but it's just something that I wouldn't wear. But anyways, that will be a part of the giveaway. I will definitely put this in for the giveaway if someone is in the market for getting a new scent to try. And so the next item we have is by Omic. It's a skincare. Let's see. I think that's how you pronounce that. And it says Omic Plus Skincare 10% tranexamic acid face serum. It says move over vitamin C. There's another dark spot reducing ingredient in town, and this serum has 10% of it. It's also made with moisture-boosting glycerin, hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin, as it helps treat and prevent hyperpigmentation. Add 2 to 3 drops to your moisturizer and apply in the morning and at night. When using in the morning, don't forget to apply sunscreen. This retails for $39.99 for 30 milliliters, and they gave us 10 milliliters. So this is about, I priced this out at about $15 worth of product. This is a third of the size of the full size. And we got 10 milliliters, and the full size is 3 times the size of this in a 30, which would be 1 ounce. So this is 1/3 of an ounce, and it looks pretty thick. Not super thick, but not watery. And again, you just take 2 or 3 drops of this, put this in the palm of your hand, mix this with your facial moisturizer, and then apply that to your skin. And I have not heard of this brand before, so I can't comment on them. And I'm sure if it's from Allure, though, they always pick really, really good brands. And they definitely do their homework on the products. So this one, you also get 20% off site-wide on the Omic Plus skincare website. And that's a nice deal to get, is that in case you do like this and you say, hey, I want to get the full size of this, I can't live without this stuff, I have to get it, then you can use the code that's in your pamphlet. Go on the Omic website, go onto that brand's website, and then put in the code, and you get 20% off your purchase, which is really nice, because normally, even if they might give you 10 or 15%, you know, just for signing up, but not 20. That's what I haven't seen. And then the last item that I have is Belief Aqua Bomb. It's the frozen cream. And this is about no matter when you use this gel cream, first thing in the morning before a hot yoga session or after a nighttime sweat, you'll instantly feel refreshed thanks to its teeny tiny capsules made of eucalyptus leaf extract that cool on contact. I love eucalyptus, so that's great. It says how to use directions. Slather a nickel-sized dollop onto your skin, working your way from the top of your forehead down to your neck. Then fan your face with your hands for an extra energizing effect. Retails for $26 for 50 milliliters. They gave us 10 milliliters in this box. You know, I'm looking at, you know, can you get this for $2 and, you know, $5.20? You probably can't. So I have it retailed at probably around $7 for this product. And let's take a look here. And I want to say I have another one of these. I can't remember, but here's what the product looks like. This is one of the first, this brand, Belief, is a Korean brand. This is one of the first Korean brands, probably about 10 or 15 years ago, that came into Ulta. And now, you know, the Korean skincare has exploded, but I still use this brand. I have a moisturizing body lotion from them. I have a gel moisturizer for my face from them, and I love this brand. So I'm hoping that they stay strong against all the other Korean skincare line. And this is definitely cooling. It is a gel texture, very smooth, and it smells amazing and has just a very light, refreshing eucalyptus scent. Very nice. I love it. So that is the frozen cream, and all their products I've noticed have layered really well under makeup, under my foundation, and that's why I like this brand also, called Belief. So with all those products, I end up coming up with $233 worth of product. And I am super excited. We had 6 products in this box, and I have it retailing for $233, and I paid $29.99. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and please thumbs up on my videos, and please help get some subscribers so we can get the giveaway going. Thank you. Bye.